You know how I wanted to go to Auntie Anne, but there's barely anywhere I live, and I don't want to resort to those bagged cup coasters we call pretzels? Let's make some Germany-style pretzels. And we're going to start off with some dough, about 450 grams of flour, 1 tablespoon of butter. We're going to mix together a 1.5 cup of water and yeasty mixture along with a little bit of brown sugar and salt. But be careful not to rub your hands together, otherwise you're going to get a yeast infection, and those are nasty. Then we're going to mix in this yeasty mixture and add a little bit of flour little by little until you get a nice springy dough. Did you know that the pretzel was invented by European monks during the early Middle Ages out in Germany? The hard cup coasters we were talking about earlier were made in the United States. We're gonna let that dough baby sit aside for about 30 minutes. And then we're gonna chop it into little pieces, cut it up, chop it up, and serve it with some guacamole. Yeah, baby. Roll that dough into a long stretchy sausage. We've shown you our sausage. Please respond. Fold it over into a nice pretzel shape before adding it into a baking soda bath for 20 to 30 seconds. Any longer than that, it'll start tasting like metal. I promise you. Robot doesn't taste good. Make sure to add a little bit of those salty tears from your local League player or Overwatch player. Either or is totally fine. Before into the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're craving something a little bit different, you can add a little bit of that cinnamon sugar as well as butter over top for a sweet treat instead. And voila, delicious pretzels you can make anytime at home.